Airbnb is an American San Francisco-based company operating an online marketplace for short and long-term homestays and experiences. The company acts as a broker and charges a commission from each booking. If you're looking for a comprehensive step-by-step how to start building your successful Airbnb business and become an entrepreneur, then keep reading. In most cases, Airbnb has more competitive rates than hotels. It's estimated that around 45.6 million people use Airbnb. Most people are not happy working the 9-to-5 job. You will not achieve financial freedom by making someone else rich. Start working for yourself to make your dreams a reality. Get started. Uncover how to create financial freedom with Airbnb and become a superhost. Airbnb Investments for Beginners walks you through all the details. Unleash your hosting potential and seize the limitless opportunities of the Airbnb business. This book is your key to unlocking a world of financial freedom and personal growth. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your life. Get your copy now and embark on your extraordinary journey today. Here are a few things you will discover reading this book. The newest ways to invest and strategies to get started and be successful. Discover Airbnb benefits and why you should become a superhost with access to exclusive rewards. Arbitrage. What is it? And can you get started with little or no money? Find ways to automate, optimize, manage, and scale up your business to be profitable in short-term rentals. New up-to-date information. Get your property ready to receive the best ratings and visibility and attract more guests. I have always been interested in investing in real estate, and I have been hearing a lot about Airbnb, but I didn't know exactly how it worked. This book is very good at explaining everything for absolute beginners. It is nice that the author took the time to explain how the company started and what are the benefits of using the Airbnb platform as an option to diversify investments. It was a very nice surprise to learn about types of business structures, how to apply for licenses and permits, when to file taxes, etc. This book is very complete because it covers all aspects of starting a business. I love that. It makes it so much easier to find everything in one place. I highly recommend this book to anyone interested in diversifying investment in real estate. The Airbnb business is growing daily with new hosts with no training or prior experience, and are from all walks of life. You can be one of them.